Hello mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal. Good morning po sa inyong lahat and welcome back sa ating channel. Today is Saturday po. Time check is, what time is it? 10:55 a.m. po, January 17, 2026. So bibiyahe po kami ng Santa Barbara, one of the mission, 21 mission dito sa California po. So mamamasyal po kami doon. And tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming driving. Let's go! Here's Miss Shane fixing her hair. Miss Shirley in the back kasi po nagtrabaho siya kagabi, wala pa siyang tulog. The boys, ayun, si Mr. Sean at si Amber, ayun din si Mr. Noah. Tara, let's go! Ayan po mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal, ang San Luis Rey Mission Church, isa sa mga 21 mission at nandito siya dito sa Oceanside. Okay mga ka-Facebook friends, dadaan muna po tayo dito kinama. Ida-drop off muna natin si Amber sa kanila. Okay, mag-wave na po tayo. At ito yung papasok.
Continue on I-5 North for 31 miles.
Like watermelon syrup, like shaved ice.
Ayan. Maganda ang traffic po papunta dito sa norte. Pero kung titignan ninyo sa opposite direction, sa south, very traffic. So medyo laki tayo ngayon. Alright. Mga ka-loyal, kung makikita nyo po dito, ayan, sa kanan, Camp Pendleton po yan. I think that's 31 area. Kung saan dyan nagtatraining yung mga recruits na magiging Marines. So malaki po itong Camp Pendleton. Park lang ito. So ngayon, nasa Freeway 5 pa rin po tayo. Binabaybay natin ang North 5 Freeway. Dating ano po yan, nuclear power plant dito sa San Onofre. Okay mga ka-Facebook friend, ito na po yung daan o papasok, pa-exit dyan sa Disneyland, Catilla Avenue, Disneyway, yun po. Ito, ayan. Dyan ka mag-exit kung pupunta ka ng Disneyland. Ayan po sa kaliwa, dyan ang Disneyland. Ayan mga nakikita ninyo, ayun o. Yung tower doon. Disneyland here in California is located dito po sa Anaheim, Orange County. Ayun po yung papunta sa Universal Studio naman.
In 2 miles, use the right 3 lanes to take the US 101 North exit toward Ventura.
Hello mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal. Time check is 2:07 p.m. Magbe-break muna po kami dito. Bibili muna kami ng lunch namin dito sa McDonald's. We still have about 64 miles to drive. That's about an hour and siguro 14 more minutes to go or to drive. Kaya kain muna kami, gutom na yung mga bata. Ayan sila, oh. Si Sean kanina pa siya nagrereklamo, gutom na rin siya. Let's go! Hello everyone, naghihintay po sila ng order. Nandito kami sa McDonald's. Where's the sauce? Enjoy your McDonald's. Order. Okay mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal, welcome back ulit. Tapos na po tayong mag-lunch dito sa McDonald's. Time check is, what time is it? 3:04 p.m. May isang oras pa po kaming driving papunta sa Santa Barbara. So tara, let's get back on the road. Tara, let's! Ay mga kasamahan natin. Ayun, ayun. Okay, mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal, we are back on the freeway 101 North po. Like I said, isang oras may pang biyahe po natin bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, which is yung Santa Barbara. Pupunta po tayo sa Mission Santa Barbara. Hello po! Ayan. Busog na yung mga kasamahan natin. Kanina, grouchy sila lahat, gutom. Kaya ngayon nakapag-McDonald's na sila, kaya medyo tahimik na. Ayun sila, ayun. Alright, let's focus na. Beautiful view. Look at this. Tayo siguro na lang mga 20 plus minutes na lang makakarating na tayo sa ating destination. Ooh, nice video, nice view. Oh, nice beach. Parang kailan lang nung nagbiyahe kami last year or 2 years ago, yung dinaanan natin to nung nagpunta tayo sa nag-visit tayo ng 21 missions. So, yep. Yeah. The island. Yeah, the island right there. ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal, eto na po, nandito na tayo. Ayan, oh, ang daming tao dyan. Oh. That is so beautiful. Ayan. At ito, ang sa kaliwa po natin ay ang church na. Ayan. Welcome to Santa Barbara Church, Mission Church, the Queen of the Mission.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Ayan, it's so beautiful. We made it. Alright, kailangan natin mag-park. It says do not enter. Saan tayo mag-park?
We made it.
We made it. Nice. Oh, look at that.
I was vlogging
Yeah.
Yep.
And yeah, we vlogged the
on the
fountain.
Canon
Yeah.
camera.
Okay, right here it says
Look at all
parking
the
7 a.m. to
fish.
7 p.m.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh,
I
that
don't know
is
why. I'm gonna do that again. I did it for all of them. For all the ones that had fountains.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I remember specifically this mission the most. Because I remember we just stood there.
It's
for like
beautiful.
20
Ang daming
minutes.
tao, no?
Just looking around.
Uh-huh.
Bro, I remember it was closed last time we
natin
came.
mag-park. Right, found one. Actually, let's go. Dito yung sa walang katabi. Ang dami dito pala eh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Okay, mga ka-Facebook friends, mga ka-loyal, we made it here dito sa Santa Barbara Mission Church po. Time check is 4:15 p.m. Hopefully bukas pa. But anyway, we're here safely. Thank you. Bye-bye for now. Ayan po, nandito na kami at naglalakad. Parang kailan lang nung bumisita kami sa mga missions. Ngayon nandito na naman kami. Kaya lang, kami lang ngayon. Wala si Mami, Daddy, tsaka si Amber. Hindi wala sila ngayon. So, ayan. Ayan, oh. Ay,
No, I'm being so pro. No, can you like just yeah.
saan tayo si Lord?
Nandito tayo sa
Santa
Santa Barbara.
the Queen of Mission Church. So, kasama ang mga chikiting natin. Nasaan sila? Ayun. And then si Miss Noah. Ayan. Ito po yung sa harapan ng Santa Barbara Church. Ay, ang ganda ng garden nila, oh. Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan. Ooh, beautiful view. 360 degrees. There, we're back there.
Yeah, the other that's like, I don't know what day, I think it's $50. I buy in packages, buy 5, get a 6.
You know the owner.
Ayan po yung harapan ng Santa Barbara Mission Church. It's one of the 21 mission church dito sa California. And they call it the Queen of the Mission. Ayan, bali pang-apat na po namin visit dito. Si Noah, this is his second time. The twins, it's their third. Kami ni Shirley, pang-apat na. And then, ito po yung sa harapan. It's beautiful. Look at that. Ayun, no? Ocean na nandun, no? Beach. Ayun. Close up natin. There it is.
I didn't realize they were that close. But they were.
Nice. And see Shirley, Shane, at saka si Sean. Eh, ito naman si Mr. Noah. Ang ganda po talaga sa harapan yung Santa Barbara. Oh, yung pwedeng mag-picnic. Ano. Ayan po. Very so beautiful. Let's do 360 degrees view. Mountain. Ayan po yung, that is so beautiful right there. Oops, missing. Ta-da! Up. Ayan. Sun is setting.